Italy has long been a destination that captures the imagination like no other place on Earth. From the sun-drenched coastlines of the Amalfi Coast to the timeless grandeur of Rome, this country offers experiences that stay with you long after you have returned home. But beyond the art, the food, and the history, Italy is home to some of the most extraordinary hotels in the world. These are not simply places to sleep, they are destinations in themselves, each one telling a story of luxury, heritage, and breathtaking beauty. Whether you are planning a romantic getaway, a family adventure, or a solo journey of discovery, the right hotel can transform your entire trip. So let us take you through 5 of the finest hotels Italy has to offer, each one representing the very best of what this magnificent country has to give. Sitting on the island of Giudecca, just a short private boat ride from St. Mark's Square, the Bellman Hotel Cipriani is nothing short of legendary. This iconic property has been welcoming guests since 1958 and continues to set the gold standard for Venetian luxury. The hotel features lush gardens, an Olympic-sized swimming pool, which is extraordinarily rare in Venice, and rooms that offer sweeping views of the lagoon. The interiors blend classic Italian elegance with warm, contemporary touches, creating an atmosphere that feels both timeless and deeply personal. Dining at the Cipriani is an event in itself, with the restaurant serving some of the finest Venetian cuisine imaginable. Staying here means stepping into a world where every detail has been considered, and every moment feels like a privilege. Nestled within a stunning 15th century palazzo and surrounded by one of the largest private gardens in Florence, the Four Seasons Hotel Firenze is a masterpiece of Renaissance grandeur. The property spans 2 historic buildings, each filled with original frescoes, ornate ceilings, and priceless works of art. Guests are essentially living inside a museum, yet every comfort of modern luxury has been seamlessly woven into the experience. The spa is world-class, the outdoor pool is set within the magnificent garden, and the Michelin-starred restaurant Il Palagio offers a dining experience that rivals anything in Tuscany. This hotel does not just reflect the spirit of Florence, it embodies it completely. Carved dramatically into the cliffs above the sparkling Tyrrhenian Sea, Il San Pietro di Positano is one of the most visually stunning hotels anywhere in the world. Every single room and suite faces the sea, offering panoramic views that are simply impossible to forget. The hotel is accessible via a private elevator that descends through the rock face directly to a private beach and tennis court, making the entire experience feel like something from a dream. The gardens are filled with lemon trees and bougainvillea, and the restaurant serves fresh seafood and local specialties with the Mediterranean as your backdrop. This is the Amalfi Coast at its most magical and most intimate. For those who dream of living like Italian nobility, Castello di Casole in the heart of Tuscany delivers that fantasy with remarkable authenticity. This 1,000-year-old castle has been transformed into a Belmond hotel, sitting at the center of a vast private estate covering over 1,000 hectares of rolling Tuscan hills, vineyards, and olive groves. The rooms and suites are housed within the historic castle walls, each one uniquely decorated with antiques and locally sourced materials. Guests can explore the estate on horseback, take cooking classes, visit the on-site winery, or simply relax by the stunning infinity pool overlooking the valley. It is rural Italian luxury at its most profound. In the heart of Rome, just steps from the Piazza del Popolo and the Spanish Steps, Hotel de Russi stands as one of the Italian capital's most beloved and celebrated addresses. The hotel's terraced garden is a true urban sanctuary, offering a peaceful retreat from the energy of the city outside. Rooms are elegantly designed with a calm, contemporary aesthetic that feels refreshing against the ancient backdrop of Rome. The Stravinsky Bar is a legendary gathering spot for artists, diplomats, and travelers, and the spa offers a genuinely restorative escape. Rome is a city that overwhelms the senses in the most wonderful way, and Hotel de Russi gives you the perfect base from which to experience every extraordinary moment of it.